guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chloe and today I'm going to be showing you all my fidgets. Okay, so let's get started. These are all my fidgets and I'm going to show you all of them. Squish, squish. So this is my squishy cat or tiger, I don't know. And I got it from a fidget trade. And remember that last video that I made about my fidgets? I got brand new ones. Okay, so this one is brand new. Okay, so time to see the next one. I also got a square poppet and very colorful rainbow. That's why I say colorful. And I also got this from a fidget trade. I don't know if you guys saw this in the first episode, but so yeah. Next one. Okay, so now I got a circle poppet. It makes very popping sounds. It's on the soft side. Very colorful, just like square one. And here's the square one and the circle one. I got both of these from a fidget trade. I got this from my cousin Leanne, and I also got this one from my friend Ava. Okay, so now next one. I got two poppet bracelets. Okay, so one of them are neon colors and one of them are just like dark blue and white and pink. Here they are when I'm wearing them. Okay, so here they are, neon and black, blue, white, and pink. So next one, I also got a poppet crown. Neon colors, same as the bracelet, and it's a crown, and I feel like that I'm the queen of fidgets. Okay, so I'm the queen of fidgets now. I'm just joking. It's just a fidget. Next one. I got a purple and orange pop tube. Pop tubes. I got two of them. And here they are, they're rolling away now. And here's the satisfying part. Here's the satisfying part, guys. That's the purple one. This is the orange one. Now I'm gonna put them back together. Then I'll show you guys the next fidget. Fidgets are over there. And then the orange one now. Now I'm gonna do purple. Almost there. Done. Now I'm done. Thanks, fidget. Okay, so I got these squishies. And here are the issues. This one is broken. And I got this from a fidget trade. So that's okay, I guess. And I absolutely love it. It's my favorite color. So yeah. And now this one. I randomly found it in the basement and decided to keep it as a fidget. And I saw it had a broken ear. And yeah. This, I didn't even notice. A hole right there. There's a hole right there. But that's okay. I still like them. Next fidget. Oh, sorry. I got a swan poppet and it's also neon. Very colorful. Next one. I got pea pods, and they also have cute little faces on them. And I got this pea pod from a fidget trade. It's kind of broken, but it's okay. I still like it. It's still up. I'm gonna push it down. And here's the other one. Very hard to pop them out. Oh. 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 He's very excited to see you guys. Next one. Okay, so the next fidget is a Slinky. I got it from school. It's made of metal, I think. I don't know. But it's very fun to play with. Silver. Oh. Okay, so here's a rainbow. And here is a donut, what I usually make. And here is a 0. Next one. Okay, so I got a Doge Simple Dimple. Both pops are pink and it looks pretty weird. And the tag says, I love you, but so yeah. Next one. I also got this pig squishy. It's very cute and it has like tiny Orbeez inside. And yeah. It also has like a really small bow. And yeah. Next one. I got this ice cream stress ball. And it can pop through the cone. Like, look at it. It's way too satisfying. And it's very squishy. And it also has Orbeez in it. So, yeah. Next one. This is a Flippy. And it is very fun to play with. You can change it into a block. Then you can change it into a rectangle. Then it just happens all over and over again. Block. Rectangle. Block. Oh, here's the block. But now, rectangle. Next one. This is like a puzzle thing. It also has a pattern which goes red, green, yellow, red, green, yellow, red, green, yellow, red, green, yellow. And the pattern always repeats. And it also has some triangles. And I'm gonna mix it up myself, then try to solve it. Okay, so here it is mixed up, and here I'm gonna try to solve it now. And that was very easy. Next one. I also have this heart keychain, which I also got from a fidget trade. I got this from KC, and it is very cute. And as you guys noticed, it is a keychain. Next one. This is like, I don't know what this is. It's just like a type of ring and skulls. And yeah, next one. I also have this pizza one. I got this pizza one from Ava, and on the back it shows nothing, and in the front it's kind of sandy. Next one. I also have some strings, like I also got purple, yellow, blue. I call them string doodlers. So next one, I also got this butterfly puppet, which also has numbers on it. And it also has like these signs like division, times, minus, and plus. And it's very colorful. Next one. This is like something, I don't know what's called. There's a marble inside, like you can move him. Very fun to play with. And so yeah, and it's red. Next one. I got this glow-in-the-dark mermaid tail, and this used to be my favorite color, but now it's not. And it is very cool. Next one. I also got this squishy. It has some jelly on its head, and it also kind of looks like a cat. Next one. This one, I like to play with it because like you can move these. I mix it up and I solve them, and it's very fun, rainbow colored. And next one. It's still there. This one I got from Chuck E. Cheese. It's called a funky ball, and it bounces around a lot. And yeah, next one. This one is a spiky ball, and also when you bounce it, it lights up red and blue. Next one. I got this octopus puppet. I got the large size of it, and yeah. Next one. Okay, so this one, I made this, and it is very fun to play with. You can stretch it, and you can also like crumble it, but you can't pop it though, but it's really cool. I made this with string and straws. Now, next one. This one is a Hello Kitty coin purse. It has the color blue, yellow, pink, and red. So, yeah. It also has like stuff on the like string. So, yeah. Next one. Okay, so I also got this purple circle. I also got this from a fidget trade, and it feels kind of relaxing. So yeah. Next one. I got this like gummy bear. It's not that squishy though, but it is kind of stretchy. And it's a bear. I got this from a fidget trade. I got this from my friend Casey, and she has a dino one of this. So next one. Okay, so I also have this crumble thingy, and it's blue and orange. So yeah. Next one. I also have this pink and blue crumbly one. So next one. I got some keychains. I got Pikachu, blue and pink, a flower puppet, purple, and a simple dimple, which I got from a fidget trade with my cousin Abigail. So yeah, next one. I also got this flower puppet. It is also glow in the dark, just like the mermaid one. So it's also a flower and it's colored pink. Next one. I also got this from a fidget trade. I got this from Ava, one of my friends, and it's a lobster puppet. Next one. I also got this like strange orange thingy from my friend Casey, and yeah. It also feels kind of relaxing. Next one. I also got this simple dimple. The colors are purple, yellow, pink, lime green, and blue. Lime green and blue are my favorite colors now. Not purple anymore, or red. I like lime green, black, and white. Even though black and white are not even colors. Next one. I also got a gummy bear, and it's also rainbow colored. Very fun, very soft, and yeah. I got this from my mom, and yeah. So, yeah. Next one. I also got a bag. The colors are green, yellow, and pink. And yeah, it also has barriers. Next one. I also got this big pop-it bag. It is a part of this mini Pikachu keychain. So yeah, next one. I also got this shooting star pop-it. It is very fun to play with, and it always gets smaller and smaller every time you pop it. And I like to pop the star because it's big. And yeah, look how small that pop is. Like I can only pop it with my pinky. And now I can pop it with my finger. And yeah, next one. I also got this bracelet. It can glow in the dark, and you can also spin it. So yeah, and it's also a puppet. Next one. I got this unicorn squishy. Its neck is kind of broken, but it's okay. I still like it. Next one. I also got this cupcake puppet. It is blue, white, and purple. So yeah. The next one is the last one. Okay, so this is the last one, guys. It's a boba or smoothie puppet. Now, here is a reveal of all my fidgets. These are all my fidgets, guys. And I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe, click the bell button, and give me a big thumbs up. Bye!